Good afternoon, friends. I hope you're well. I'm so excited for this vlog today because today I'm heading to Thobors Boulangerie and Patisserie here in Toronto to learn how to make the infamous Galette des Rois. So January is the month of Epiphanie, and in France they celebrate with Galette des Rois, which in northern France is a pastry of puff pastry stuffed with almonds and sugar and all that great stuff. And I'm gonna go straight to the source because Thobors makes the best Galette des Rois in town. It's so delicious and they're gonna teach me all their secrets. So let's go. I am behind the scenes. Everyone, like, if you see in the front, that's where all the customers are at. And I am legit in the kitchen right now. It's so cool. And we're just taking our places. The class is about to get started. I'll show you around. Alright, you guys, I'm here with the lovely Marc and Sylvie from Thobors Boulangerie et Patisserie here in Toronto. And what are we going to learn how to make today, you guys?
Making a galette des rois, a French king galette made with a French puff pastry.
And this is a specialty from the north of France, right?
It's especially it's a French all French country. Yeah.
But I heard in the south of France that they prepare
it's a brioche.
Yeah,
brioche,
exactly.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
it's a little different.
Brioche with
it's brioche with fruits and nuts and yes.
Yeah.
And Thobors makes the best galette des rois, so I'm so excited to learn your secrets today.
You're right.
You're gonna share everything with me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah. No.
Everything.
What you're gonna do, guys? It's exactly what we do for us, for our customers. So it's a gift.
Yay!
Yes.
We're sharing.
Merci.
You're welcome.
For those people who know Thobors, we are complementary because Marc is the master baker. He makes all bread and Danish, like croissants, puff pastries and all that things. And I'm the pastry chef and chocolatier. You're gonna have to make your own galette, but we're gonna show you how to do the almond cream, and then you're gonna fill it, your own galette, put the toy, closing, and design, but there's many steps that you have to respect to have like a great result. So that's why don't hesitate to ask many questions. I'm here. If people know, if I don't know the answer, Marc.
He asked the boss.
Voila. And so.
I don't know in English. Ask you.
And if I don't know, ask Shanice.
I have a question. What sort of butter are you using? It looks so good.
New Zealand butter.
Unsalted?
Your own unsalted.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
We use Belgium, use New Zealand, and French. Because if he does that, it's because he wants to make sure that the butter is completely covered.
Right.
You
can stretch it.
Oh.
So I take the dough and I put closer on the line to be on the frame.
Because you don't want cake.
Exactly. Because then you
Don't have it. So fun. So fun. You guys have to check out these.
like this.
Where did you learn how to make puff pastry?
Oh.
So this, let's say like M, Marc, T, Thobors. That is rolling in from school when he was 16 years old.
Oh.
In my place, on the phone.
On the phone.
On the phone. On the phone.
Really?
With my
Mentor. My mentor.
You must be really talented to be able to learn on the phone.
Ready? A bit more.
Now it's time for 4.
More longer. You can see the difference with the dough. It's very soft. Now it's softer. You can try.
Yeah, it is soft.
And you can feel the butter almost.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fourfold, the Americans call it fourfold.
Looking at the designs for the Galette des Rois. This is the one with the leaves.
I do in purpose.
This, and then this is sort of like the pinwheel. We're learning the technique of how to use a knife to get the extra puff that we're looking for. Now we're going to make the almond cream. Music to my ears. Sometimes I use frangipane, which is almond cream cut with a little bit of pastry cream. But this is simple and delicious. Let's check it out. Butter.
The mixer. The sugar and the butter.
So every time you add something, you stop.
Almond meal.
Just make sure that it doesn't.
Yep. Put it down there. The eggs. Always on the side.
Yeah,
That looks good on its own. Merci.
Yeah.
But you have to try. To know.
Elle peut pas. Elle peut pas.
Okay.
Now we're each going to make our own galette des rois.
Strong,
So look,
bigger, big.
we're going to get the pastry,
Do
we're
it
going to get it
again.
rolling. Can't believe we're doing this. So exciting. Happy and in love, huh? This couple.
It has to do with me. It's okay.
They're so cute though.
It's okay. So I start in the center and I just let it go. And I do. It's easy.
Look how
So you.
Well,
Voila.
Okay. So make sure that it's just beside.
so the tradition for galette des rois is they hide a little thing inside the galette des rois. Whoever gets it is the king for the day, or the queen,
The queen of the
depending.
So try to stay inside and don't put too much because we know that water is gonna seal your galette, but if you put too much, it won't fill the galette. You put the second disc, you go on front like this, you spread like this, and then you have to touch here, touch this, and then put your finger, not touching. So now you have the bump because you keep the cream away from the edges.
So now we've seen how the pros do it. Now we're gonna attempt it ourselves. So let's see how I do. Fingers crossed. So we're gonna start filling the puff pastry, the Pate Feuillete with the almond cream. Let's see how I do.
It's a bit pressure, right?
Come in.
And you should be centered.
And power. You just press like that.
Perfect.
You don't want to overfill it, right? This would be bad to overfill it.
Don't make it be slow.
Yeah, perfect.
You have to invite the family.
Is that okay?
No, it's easy.
Okay.
Add a bit more.
Yay.
So then you remove the ring.
Bien. And then now we remove the ring. Comme ça.
Yeah.
And then hide the toy.
Yep.
Somewhere right here. Who's gonna get it? Who knows? Okay, we're gonna brush the bottom part of the pastry with a little bit of water. So let's see if you can see this. A little brush of water like this, and just along the edges.
You can try to do it.
So don't forget.
Exactly.
Now, I'm gonna take this piece of pastry and drape it over the top.
This right here. Go. Do it.
Yeah, it's okay. You won't see the difference after that.
Don't forget you can
That
move your
seems to
pepper.
have down. So you put it back. Sylvie, please tell them I did a good job. Did I do a good job?
Yeah, really good job.
See, no, that's perfect.
Now we're gonna do the design. Oh my God, wish me luck.
You can like this, go, and you go like that.
So I took a paring knife and I created this design. How is it, Marc? Do you approve?
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. Just okay.
Very good. Nice. And fast.
Oh, that's the finished galette des rois. We're gonna cut some slices. That's okay. Look at how good that looks. Let's give it a taste. It is so unbelievably delicious. If you want a galette des rois or learn how to make a galette des rois, you've got to come